Hey, it's Mr. Robinson, and I'm going to go over the collisions chemistry game all about ionic bonding. So once you've logged into the collisions chemistry games, uh, if you're at the main menu, you can find the ionic bonding here in the bottom right. And when you first start, you'll only have access to level 1. All the other levels will be closed off. And the first 4 levels are tutorial levels that go over how to complete the game. They'll give you some dialog boxes that you need to make sure you read through, and it'll explain what to do to complete the level. Every level also has 2 menus available to you. You have on the top left, you have the menu box, which gives you access to go back to the level menu. To the main menu. You can also restart the level and always log out. That's the menu on the top left. You also have the help menu, which is on the top right with the question mark. When you click on it, it'll give you on the left-hand side the objectives for the levels. Those are what you're trying to accomplish. And for each objective, it also gives you some info, which is the chemistry concepts that the objectives is all about. And then on the right-hand side, you have the skills. These are the different game mechanics that you can do in order to achieve your objectives. So, for example, on this level, I can activate charges by tapping once on each ring, and I can bond atoms by tapping ions to activate. So it tells you the very basics of what you can do on the levels. And that's the basic rundown of the main levels. You also have the Sandbox game, which is available to you once you've completed the 4 tutorial levels. After you've completed level 4, this will then be available to you. The Sandbox is indicated with a sand castle. When you open it up, it's similar to the game levels, but you have now access to unlimited ions. You have an unlimited number of ions, but there are specific ions available to you. You have some some monatomic ions and some polyatomic ions. You have cations that are positive and anions that are negative. And you can scroll left to right to look for the different atoms or ions that you need. It also indicates the charges up here. So you can bring them down, and just like in the levels, you activate them by clicking on each one, and they try to make bonds. And you can always check to see if you've correctly made the ionic compound, and it'll give you, if you've done it incorrectly, it'll tell you that what's missing. So in this case, I need add another chloride ion in order to make it even. And it shows that now I have a correct ionic compound of calcium and chloride. And it puts the completed compounds in this little tray down at the bottom that you can open and close by clicking on here. You can also, it'll keep them there unless you hit the delete to get rid of all the ones that you've made. In addition, the Sandbox also has achievements. Achievements are found if you click on the star in the top right, and you have a whole list of them. And there's different achievements. Some of them have you making compounds with specific ions. For example, this one's with Na plus and Cl minus. Other ones are ones with just ions with specific charges. For example, this one you're supposed to make one with an ion with a +2 charge, and other ones where you're supposed to make specific ionic compounds. Each achievement also has an info button, which can give you hints on how to achieve it. In order to achieve an achievement, you need to select it and have it highlighted, and then you can go through. You can even close the achievements and then try to make it. And once you've correctly made one and it checked it, and it will pop up a dialog box that tells you that you've earned that achievement, And at that point, instead of being a blank star, it'll have the star filled in yellow here. So you can see right now I've gotten 2 of the achievements so far. And that's the basics of the Ionic bonding game. If you need any help or have any questions, feel free to contact me. Otherwise, enjoy making your Ionic compounds.